All right, so if you have multiple social media or messenger accounts and you want to use both of them on the same phone or Android device at once, here's how you would do it. So first thing you would do is scroll down from the top, go to the settings in the top right corner. In there, they have this little magnifying glass search, push that, and then search dual. From there, you'll see dual messenger, tap that one. It'll open up the advanced features. You'll scroll to the bottom, you'll see dual messenger here, tap that. And right now here I have KakaoTalk and WhatsApp. I was doing WhatsApp as an example, so let me uninstall that. That removes the secondary app. If you want to create a new one, so it shows all the apps you have that are supported. So there are other apps that support dual messenger as well, but these are the current ones that are supported. Basically, you would tap the little radio button there, and then you would install. This will give you a second copy of WhatsApp in your phone or whatever app that you're selecting. So I'm going to close this and I'll go to my apps drawer. Here you can see my apps. If I search and go to WhatsApp, as you can see, I have two. There's the normal one and then the one with the two orange circles. If I press the one with the orange circles, you'll see it's setting it up as a completely brand new app, like for the first time. The only thing with this is you have to keep in mind if you have to register it with an actual cell phone number or phone number. The other account, if you're already using your phone number that's on your current phone, you won't be able to use that same number. So if you want two separate accounts, you have to actually have another phone number. So you'd basically have another cell phone that will let you use the account on it. But keep in mind that most programs that verify with your phone number won't let you use that on multiple phones at once. So once you set it up, it will ask you the verification code on your other phone number. You'll use that verification number on this one, and then after that, you won't be able to have it on your secondary phone. So keep that in mind. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and if it helped you save some money, I don't know, this one's not really a repair video, but it would help out a lot if you could contribute to the channel or watch a few of my other videos and like and comment on them because that's what the algorithm likes to see. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.